Example 5 here is about limits. How can we help with limits when we work with logs? If I have a limit of log 4 plus 9x minus log 2 plus 5x. I wonder if any of you have interesting ideas on this, because here whatever I taught you before is not gonna work. All those who is faster thing, who is slower thing, it's like infinity minus infinity. Log at infinity is infinity, log at infinity is infinity. You don't know which one is faster. You cannot do minus infinity is 0. Not really. One might be slightly faster than others, so who knows? Maybe they're the same. Maybe they have the same speed than 0 or some kind of ratio. Yeah?
All of the log laws, right, they work for natural log as well, right?
Yes. Yes. All the laws work for a log with any base, so including natural. So while you're answering that question online I left for you, here, what do you think we should do with limits? Limit using the properties. What do you think? Let's do this quotient. Let's not call it quotient rule though, because quotient rule is reserved for the differentiation. But it is a quotient rule actually, indeed. I see log minus log. So I will do this time, from log, I will have a fraction, 4 plus 9x all over 2 plus 5x. Do you all agree? The first thing over the second thing. That's the idea of the property here. And now whatever I taught you will work. Remember, you're supposed to actually divide by the x with the highest exponent in the numerator, or you do the fast way which Julia taught you. What did I teach you? I say find the leader of the top, leader of the bottom, and see what's happening here. We cannot do it yet first. You need to first take this guy and put it inside. There's a whole theorem that says when you can and cannot do that. And basically it says if the function is continuous and smooth, everything is nice, there's no breaks, you can do it. So it's actually log of the limit. Log of the limit 4 plus 9x all over 2 plus 5x. And that's what you're actually working with. And we did these limits before and we had them on the exam. What is the answer for the limit part? 9/5. Do you all remember this? I'm finding the leader of the top, the leader of the bottom. They have the same speed. So the answer will be the ratio of the leading coefficient. So the answer will be, still remember there's a log happening outside, but limit, let me write down like this. Limit as x goes to infinity, those ideas works only at infinity. At infinity, 4 plus 9x competes with 2 plus 5x. They have the same speed, though the answer will be the ratio of the leading coefficient. So the answer is log of 9/5, and that's the answer. You can write down it as a log 9 minus log 5, but nobody usually does that. We like fractions in the answer because it's just convenient to write it down.